Genders. Nouns in Portuguese have genders. For example, pé is a masculine noun, o pé. Lápis is a masculine noun, o lápis. But then one of these days a student of mine asked me why pé, lápis sometimes take the feminine definite article.
Wait, what?
Exactly, that was my reaction. But then he gave me these two examples. Ela voltou para casa a pé. Fiz anotações a lápis. Oh, dear student, now I know what's happening. He mistook the preposition a for the feminine definite article a. And I don't blame him. So join me in today's lesson if you want to see other examples where the preposition a is being used and not the definite article a. In Portuguese, some, not all, some adverbial phrases of circumstance take the preposition a, and most of these adverbial phrases have to do with manner, answering the question how. For example, how did she go back home? On foot, a pé. Ela voltou para casa a pé. So, a pé is how she went back home. This a here is the preposition a, not the definite article. Yes, they look alike, but they are different, huh? Let's compare a few sentences for you to understand things better. Ela lavou a mão. Here we have definite article. Ela lavou a mão. Ela lavou o pé. Masculine definite article. Ela voltou para casa a pé. Preposition. Ela voltou para casa a pé. She went back home on foot. The horse is in the field. O cavalo está no campo. Article. He rode a horse for an hour. Ele andou a cavalo por uma hora. Preposition. Ele andou a cavalo por uma hora. So, a pé means on foot. A cavalo literally means on a horse. Let's see other examples. Oh, the way is clear. O caminho está livre. Definite article. My order is on the way. Minha encomenda está a caminho. Preposition. Minha encomenda está a caminho. Cooking gas is very expensive. O gás de cozinha está muito caro. O gás, definite article. He has a gas stove. Ele tem um fogão a gás. Preposition. Ele tem um fogão a gás. I can't see anything because of the steam. Não consigo ver nada por causa do vapor. I bought a new steam iron. Comprei um novo ferro a vapor. Comprei um novo ferro a vapor. The pencil fell to the floor. O lápis caiu no chão. He answered the test in pencil. Ele respondeu a prova a lápis. Ele respondeu a prova a lápis. What's the deadline? Qual é o prazo de entrega? O prazo. Qual é o prazo de entrega? He paid for his purchase in installments. Ele pagou suas compras a prazo. Yes, a prazo is the opposite of à vista, which means cash in one lump sum. Ele pagou suas compras a prazo. Oh, the tour was excellent. O passeio foi excelente. They are traveling for pleasure. Eles estão viajando a passeio. Eles estão viajando a passeio. He likes the job he has. Ele gosta do trabalho que tem. He travels a lot for work. Ele viaja bastante a trabalho. Ele viaja bastante a trabalho. Você viaja mais a passeio ou a trabalho? Me diga nos comentários, né? Other examples. The time we have to arrive is short. O tempo que temos para chegar é curto. We finally arrived on time. Finalmente chegamos a tempo. Finalmente chegamos a tempo. Have you enjoyed today's lesson? If you have, give it a thumbs up. That way you help Plain Portuguese grow and you also help YouTube to recommend you channels that create content similar to ours. And if you want to learn more about the preposition a, I suggest you watch that lesson and tell me later what you learned from it. Don't forget to always create your own examples and share them with me so I can help you improve. Thanks for watching another lesson. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!